How to silence an iPhone. To get started, you can use the Assistive Touch menu to quickly silence your device. Tap the floating Assistive Touch button on your screen to open its menu. From the options that appear, select Device, and then tap the mute button to silence all alerts and notifications on your phone. For a more comprehensive option, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Once you are in the Control Center, locate and tap on the Focus option, which is often represented by a moon icon. From the list of available focus modes, tap on Do Not Disturb. This will immediately activate the mode, silencing all calls, alerts, and notifications while your device is locked. Following these steps, you can easily silence an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.